Good evening, folks. Nick here with the updated video cast for you all. It was just another downright cold day across the four-state area. After lows near 19, most spots only made it into the middle to upper teens. But thankfully, we're going to see quite a temperature swing as we go through the next few days. Don't believe me? Have a look at this. Today, again, cold. Highs in Joplin near 18 degrees, when normally on the January 6th, we should be topping out right around 44 degrees. Let me hide the webcam. Let me show you where we're going to go by Tuesday. Again, we're keeping the normal high near 44 by next Tuesday, but with the way I'm seeing things, we'll have highs near 60 degrees for Tuesday. So we're talking about a 42-degree swing from today going into Tuesday. So if you're not a fan of this cold, we'll get a break from it as we get the new week underway. Well, we're going to keep things cold for this weekend especially. Skywatch Storm Tracker had us cloudy but quiet today, but finally the cloud cover has moved out of here, leaving this mess of a system, especially that winter storm, an issue for Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, the Gulf Coast, riding up Georgia, all the way along the Atlantic seaboard to as far north as Virginia tonight. That's a winter storm caused by our very same cold front that gave us our cold punch over the past few days. That's going to continue to push out of here. You can see right on top of us a very weak wave passing through. That's what gave us our cloud cover today. Not much else to it. That will continue to move south and east, and that will continue to push any remaining cloud cover out of here. Well, let me pop the webcam up. Let me show you this. These blue arrows represent a jet stream halfway up into the atmosphere, where it divides the cold air to the north, milder air to the south. We are seeing an upper level ridge start to develop. That's a nice little pocket of milder air that's starting to get stockpiled in the desert southwest. And that ridge will be working our way. And that will have a good effect on temperatures if you want a warming trend. Don't believe me? Have a look at the numbers here. 31 for Saturday. Granted, it's still cold, but that is a step in the right direction. 37 on Sunday, 50 on Monday, pushing 60 by Tuesday, and then highs holding in the middle of the upper 50s for the middle of the week. Not too bad, considering that we'll have to watch another potential system, maybe a bigger system, by the time we go into next weekend. So before we get to those details, let's recap your forecast for tonight. We keep the skies mostly clear, if not completely clear. The breeze light out of the south. That sets us up for another cold start in the morning. I think lows will drop to 7, with some spots being as cold as 4, and some spots as, if you want to call it warm, near 10 degrees by sunrise. But look at the afternoon. At noon, we are seeing temperatures in the mid-20s, and I think highs can get to 31 with mostly sunny skies and a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Again, 37 on Sunday, then back into the 50s and near 60 by Tuesday. Then let's take a quick recap about Friday, because we do have rain chances, but there could be some freezing rain potential here too. It all depends on how the models want to sort this out. There's quite a disagreement between the two, actually. The European model wants freezing rain to rain as we go through Friday and into Saturday. The GFS, the American model, on the other hand, wants rain to start and then switch to freezing rain as we go through Friday and Saturday. Bottom line, we know we have a system to watch by next weekend, and we got a lot of time to see how the setup will take place. So just continue to check back in, and you will know what to expect. In the meantime, though, let's keep things quiet for this weekend and finally see temperatures warm up by early next week. Have a good night. Have a great Saturday.